In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search the entire country on Facebook Marketplace, a skill that comes in handy when you're hunting for rare or unique items that might not be available in your local area. Let's dive in. First, let's get started by going to Facebook. Simply open your browser and head over to the Facebook website or use the Facebook app if you're on a mobile device. Once you're logged into your account, your next step is to click on the Marketplace icon. It typically looks like a little storefront, and you'll find it either at the side of your screen or as a tab at the bottom if you are using a mobile device. This is your gateway to exploring the many listings available across the country. Next, once you're in the marketplace, you'll want to focus on the location settings to ensure you're able to broaden your search. Look for the location section on the page. It usually shows your current location or any previously used location. Click on this section, and this is where you can start expanding your search by adjusting the radius. Now, it's time to click on the radius. By default, Facebook will have a certain radius set around your chosen location, but you're not limited to just that area. You have the option to make this search extend further. Select the radius option and adjust it to encompass a larger area. Don't forget to click apply once you've made your change. This will save your new radius settings and widen the area of your search, helping you find listings that are perhaps towns or even states away. If you need to explore an even broader range, you might consider trying different major cities or regions as your base point and adjusting the radius accordingly. After that, if you want additional information about an item that catches your eye, simply click on the item. This will bring up more details, and here you have the option to click on the seller's details. It's always a good idea to check the seller's profile for reviews or other listings by them just to make sure they're reputable and that you're comfortable with proceeding. And there you have it, a full step-by-step on setting your search preferences to span the whole country on Facebook Marketplace. It's all about exploring your options and refining your searches to what fits your needs best. This powerful tool can truly help broaden your search for the perfect find. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it opens up a world of possibilities as you hunt for unique treasures or everyday essentials. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.